By watching this video, we are hoping you will get a better understanding of what to expect running up to and during your endpoint assessment. When you come to the end of your time on program, you must ensure you have been on program for at least 12 months. However, typically, this apprenticeship standard takes 18 months. Completed all knowledge, skills and behaviours criteria, often known as KSBs. Completed any functional skill qualifications required. If you have gained these qualifications or equivalent previously, you can provide evidence of this. You must provide your completed portfolio at Gateway, which is typically 20 pieces of evidence mapped holistically across the criteria. Although the portfolio is not directly assessed, you can use and refer to it during the discussion. After you have completed all of these, you are now ready for Gateway. Gateway is a meeting scheduled for the very end of your apprenticeship program. This will involve you, your manager, and your assessor. During this meeting, you will discuss progress made and come to an agreement that you are working at or above the occupational standard and that you are deemed to have achieved competence in all areas. When all parties are in agreement, you will then be put forward for EPA. The project scoping document for the written project report with presentation and questioning will need to be approved by us at the Gateway. We ask that if you required any reasonable adjustments or if there is any important information you wish us to take into consideration during the EPA process, you should let us know at Gateway. There are two separate components to the Associate Project Manager Level 4 EPA, and these are Written Project Report with Presentation and Questioning and Professional Discussion underpinned by Portfolio of Evidence. Let's take a look at what these elements involve and what you need to prepare for. This component is split into two separate parts, which are a written project report and a presentation with questioning to ensure you are assessed correctly against the relevant KSBs. You will have a maximum of 12 weeks from Gateway acceptance to complete your project report and presentation. You must complete a 3,500-word project report and presentation and submit it to NQual prior to the deadline date and time specified within your booking confirmation email. Work is submitted 2 weeks prior to scheduled EPA date to ensure sufficient time for assessor marking and preparation. On the day of your assessment, this component will last 60 minutes, plus or minus 10%. 20 minutes will typically be used to present your project, and 40 minutes for the questioning session. You will be asked a minimum of 6 questions at the end of your presentation. Additional questions can be asked where clarification is required. This element will be a structured discussion between the apprentice and the independent assessor to establish the apprentice's understanding and application of the knowledge, skills, and behaviours. The discussion will last 60 minutes with an increase of up to 10% at the independent assessor's discretion if you need time to complete your answer. You and the independent assessor must have copies of the portfolio, so you can both refer to it throughout the professional discussion. The assessor will ask a minimum of 6 questions during the discussion. After you have completed all the elements, you will get your overall results within 10 working days. If you have to resit any element, you must do so within 6 months of the fail notification. Please note that if it is just the one component that has failed, then it is just that one component that needs to be retaken. To prepare, please review the Apprentice Support Pack, including grading descriptors, available on our website. If you require any further information, please contact us. Good luck!